On number 8 we have It's Okay That's Love. Despite being a bit of a pricky peer, the young Jae Yul has become famous for authoring the mystery novels and for hosting a popular radio show. While still sitting on the talk show panel with the psychiatrist Ji Hal Soo, it became clear to all that two just make a wrong way with each other. The unthinkable happened when a Jen Yul girlfriend plagiarizes his work, forcing him to lie low until the media storm blows over. Only then can he prove his innocence. The Jae Yul moves into a house he owns but rents out one of the current tenants is none other than his friend Hal Soo, and another friend is Jo Dong Moon, the Hal Soo's senior colleague and a fellow psychiatrist, and a young man whose name is Park Soo Gong with the Tourette syndrome, who is going through the hard time in his life. As the personality clashes, the Jae-ul and Hal Soo help the others to heal and also heals each other phobias and the problem. Just really romantic and a very emotional drama. After that we have The Liar and His Lover, love story about a depressed genius music composer Kang Han Gyul who meets the high school student Yoon So Rim when he is living under a hidden identity. With her courageous honesty and beautiful singing, the So Rim draws the Han Iki-hyul back to her again and again. They meet the love obstacle along the ways as the So Rim find out that the Han Gyul was actually the crude place producer K. And then also he just don't think anything because he feels for her from the time when he saw her for the first time. This is really one of the cute and the supportive drama, and then he will pursue his dream once again by the support of her, and they will support each other to pursue the life achievements and successful with the love between them. After that we have The Love Rain. The Love Rain is one of the best Korean drama you will watch. When you are in a love, the rain can be sweet like a flowing emotion, or it can be bittersweet if it reminds you of the love that got away. Soo In-ha is a sensitive artist who falls in love at first sight with a fellow colleague student Kim Yoon-hee. The two of them develop the feeling for each other, but before they can do something about it, the In-ha's best friend Lee Dong-wook expresses love for the Yoon-hee, and not wanting to ruin his friendship, In-ha takes a backseat and watches as the girl he loves grows farther away from him. Fast forward after the 40 years, the In-ha's son Soon-ju meets and falls in love with Hana Kim Yu's his daughter. The children are compositely different from their parents in personality, but fate pulls them together. Really one of the most romantic drama which will make you sure that no matter how many obstacles are, the love is just real. After that we have Splash Splash Love. The Danbi is a high school senior who has given up on a max topic. On the day she is about to take the KSAT for college, she is transported back into the past during a freak rain shower. She finds herself hundreds of a year in the past at the height of the Jason kingdom, which is suffering from a severe drought. She encounters the king Lido, who yearns to learn the advanced mathematics and falls in love with him from the time she saw him. This is a romance that transcends space and time with the two lovers who come to know each other on a deeper level. Also, there is something and another boy who also feels for the same girl and who also falls in love deeply, but it is her decision to choose whom. The Korean was this beautiful drama. After that, we have Where Stars Land. Where Stars Land follow the life of a worker at the Incheon airport, and in particular the interaction between the clumsy yet a bubbly woman named Han Yoo-ryun and a pricky and a mysterious man named Lee Soo-yoon. The Han Yoo-ryun is the first year member of the passenger service team and is anything but ordinary. She wants to be the perfectionist but very clumsy. She has a good heart. Lee Soo-yoon is also the first year member of the general planning department. He is the perfectionist who wants nothing but to be ordinary. He dreams of becoming a pilot. He seems cold and aloof when he in fact is lonely, but a mysterious secret he hides causes him to distance himself from everyone. These two individuals meet each other for the first time. They both really feel something spark between their feelings and a relationship, and these two opposite poles interact each other and attract each other, and over a time they'll develop a love between each other, and their opposite personality is going to be same at the same point. After that, we have The Secret Life of My Secretary. The Do Min Ik is an intelligent, perfectionist man with the heart of a stone and a chief of a team 1 at TNT Mobile Media, who always relies on his secretary, that hot-tempered girl whose name is Jung Gal-hee. Although she diligently carries out the tasks her mean boss instructs her to do, she does not hold back in saying anything, and she does not afraid of anything or anyone. She just say what she want to say, and this thing really spark and really make impress the boss for the very first time from the meeting, and their relationship from a hate to the lover develop. After that, we have Descendant of the Sun. the love story that developed between a surgeon and a special forces officer. The Kang Mo Yoon is a pretty and assertive woman who works as a cardiothoracic surgeon at the Haesong Hospital. She is not afraid to admit her mistake and believe that a capability overrides whatever connection you have. However, she is soon faced with the reality that she cannot advance with just capability. Her life is forever changed when she encountered the Yu Shi Jin, the captain and the team leader of Alpha Team, who cares more about protecting anybody in a need of help as well as his country, even if it goes against the order of his superiors. This drama will tell you of how they both bond together in a time of a war and overcome the odds against them and fall deeply in love with each other.